Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. We got a sticker video we got to get out here. I got a bunch of them. I'm still behind. I'm slowly getting them out there, y'all. Have patience with me. We're getting there. We're getting there. But this one right here, I like this one. This one's a pretty good one. But this one came from Vinny at VLC Woodworking, Mr. Vincent. Y'all check that out. That is an awesome sticker. I don't know how good the camera's picking it up. It might be washed out from my light. I gotta work on my lighting in here some too, yo. But the other camera's gonna show it better when we go to put it on the wall. But that's an awesome sticker, yo. I appreciate that. We got a small letter that goes with it. It says, "Hey Grumpy, brother, you rock. Thanks so much for supporting the channel. I love watching your lives and seeing your work." Man, thank you. And thanks for being part of my family. That's awesome for sure right there. I appreciate that. I like that. Thank you so much for that sticker too. I'm fixing to put it up on the board. Where's the English? Right there. I think it'll fit nice right there in that spot. But let's see. Let me switch my camera view real quick, yo. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna try not to bump my mount. This is on a tripod right in front of me. I have to reach over the tripod and the camera to do this. Excuse me, yo. I've had a bug in my throat here lately. Let me see if I can't tell if that's a trim or if that's a little white border on the picture. Oh, here we go. I can get this one. Almost. Oh, y'all hear my doggy? Or that ain't my doggy, that's my neighbor's doggy. Awesome. No, I wish there's ways to turn it back around. Come on, Grumpy. Alright. There we go. Didn't have to fight this one too, but I love the detail in that sticker. Let me get it up a little bit closer. That's pretty cool. Y'all still probably too close, too blurry, Grumpy. I don't know what fire the camera guys, Jordy would say. Oh, snot. Here we go. I'm gonna try to get it. Let's see. I'm fixing to bump the camera on this one because it's right in the spot here. It'll be all right. Perfect. Now. Don't like the bubbles out really. Awesome. Let's see. Ooh, there you go. Y'all go check out Vinny's channel. I'm gonna have a link for it in my description for sure. He does some awesome woodworking, y'all. He does all kind of crazy projects and whatnot. He even gets in there and plays on the lathe. I mean, he a little bit of all of it. It's pretty cool. You'll learn something for sure. And then while you're at it, in the description, check out all these other channels. Oh, there's the camera. I'll have a link for all these other awesome channels in my description. Y'all go check everybody out. Good people, good community. But thank you again so much for the sticker trade. That's awesome. I love that sticker. But all right, y'all. Stay awesome. Stay laid back. And remember, it's my job to be grumpy. God bless everybody.